Hello friends, welcome back to the new tutorial of PHP. So today we are going to learn how to connect MySQL database with PHP. Now we are going to connect with the database with the PHP and try to find the result with the query. So let's see how it gonna be work. So those who haven't subscribed my channel yet, please do subscribe my channel, and if you like the video, please do like, share and comment on my video. So let's get started. So let me create one of the DB. So localhost php myadmin, localhost php myadmin. So I will create a one DB over here. So here we go with the root. Okay, so I will create a database right now. So I will check PHP database. Okay, so PHP database. So I will. But currently we will use one of the database that we have. Yeah, location database, right? No, anything that we have jet, lara, crud. So let's take example of this crud, and the database is crud lara. Okay, so I'm going to connect with this database, right? So I'm going to use this database over crud lara. So I'm going to copy this and go to our PHP code. So let me refresh it. Let me open the VS code again. VS code. So here we have the connect.php, right? So I'm going to pass the database also here. So I'm going to pass the database right now here, and let's see it is connecting or not. Okay, let's see. The database is CRUD Lara, right? So let me go and check this part. So connect.php, connect.php, right? Connected. That means it will connect to the database right now. So I'm going to check whether the database is connected and fetching the data is correct or not. Okay, so let's go for this query. Select start from. So I'm going to select, here we have a query here, like select start from categories. So I'm going to use this query. So here we go with this one. So here I'm going to add this one, dollar query with quotes, and place this one. Select start from the category categories, right? So and after we have to execute this query right now. So let me go and check this one. This we have to add this one, response. Okay, so let's add the response. Here we have the query. So I'm going to add here over the uh, this, and this is your connection. I need to pass over here, connection. Okay, so let's make a comma over here and let's print it out. Print, basically print the data whatever it contains. So response, I'm going to print it over here, and to make it beautify we will add echo pre, right? Okay, let's see, and put here the die also. After that, no execution of the code. It's done. Okay, so currently let's run this file. So you can see that there is no nothing over here. Num rows are zero, everything is zero, right? So let's add some of the data. So I'm going to insert the query. IDs automatically, test, description, test data, right? Created, updated, it's automatically go, right? One query is inserted. If I go and check the categories, there is one data, right? Okay, so let's add it and put the updated and current timestamp, current timestamp, timestamp and timestamp, go. Incorrect date and time value, edit. Okay, categories, incorrect date and time, created at, updated at. So it's timestamp. Let's choose one from the date. Okay, go, and we will delete this part, right? Okay, so there is one data over right now. So let's check the data is coming or not. Field count is this, num rows is 1. So that means here num rows are 0 and here the num rows are 1. That means our query are fetching the data correctly, right? So in the coming video we are going to fetch what the data it the field stores, how to get all the data and render or do it in a HTML way that this is our data in that format, right? So in the coming video we are going to learn about the select query, delete query, update query, insert query, all such kind of queries we are going to learn in the coming series. So thank you so much for watching this video. Have a great day.